Using a lived name at ESF.
Hello and welcome to ESF. This is Oakie the Acorn, and today they will be showing you how to change your name in ESF systems to a lived or preferred first name. At ESF, we firmly believe that everyone should be referred to by the name that they want to be called, and which authentically reflects their identity. Students who go by a first name that is different than their legal name are encouraged to indicate this using the ESF lived or preferred name process.
To start the process, go to your My ESF Banner student profile by typing banner.esf.edu/student self-service into a web browser. Proceed to log in using your ESF ID and password. Then, navigate to the Personal Information tab on the left-hand side of the page in the main banner menu. Click Edit in the upper right corner of the Personal Details section. Then, simply add your name to the Preferred First Name box. If you would like, you can also include a personal pronoun and/or gender identification by using the drop-down menus. When you're finished, click Update.
After you update your information in Banner, here are the locations in ESF systems where your name will automatically appear. ESF class rosters, all My ESF Banner system greetings, a student's My ESF Banner advising profile, and more. Please note that your curriculum plan sheets, financial aid information, and transcripts will only display legal name. The Lived Name Committee will run weekly reports to identify any student who has updated their preferred name field in their Banner profile, and we will send you a follow-up email. In the email, you will be asked to fill out a brief survey asking about your preferences for Syracuse University, Centennial Hall, and other ESF systems implementation. Please read this email carefully, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.
You can opt in for changes in several systems, including SU systems, which has MySlice, Blackboard, SU class rosters, Zoom, and make sure you sign in with your SU student account so that the name will display correctly, your email display name, and your student ID card. Also, Centennial Hall systems for Centennial Hall records and door tags. And we have much more to come. Please note that some of these may take a little while to update. We will continually improve and grow this process based upon student feedback and experiences. We have a lot of resources and offices at ESF who are here to support you. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to livedname@esf.edu or one of the many on-campus offices for support. We're so excited to honor your name and support your experience as a student.
Thank you for watching this video, and please check out the ESF Lived Name website for details, updates, and resources.